How to pay with PayPal from balance instead of credit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to pay from your balance instead of your credit card. So basically what you're going to do is first of all, I'm going to come over to finance and I'm going to go to banks and cards where I am right now. And if you already have linked a card, what it's going to do is you're going to have a preference. So you're going to prefer your balance, your PayPal balance when paying online. So obviously for that, as I said, you're going to need to come to your wallet and you're going to come to your bank and card section. So in the bank and card section, wherever you have linked everything, that is where, your cards are going to have more preference. But here, as you can see right now, this is the more primary method, and you're going to go into payment preferences as well to, choose your money flow and choose your preferred way to pay online. We're going to click on confirm. And once you do this, you're going to choose the way you want to pay. And once you do that, just choose the best way. And in our case, obviously, we're going to choose our PayPal balance with the best money flow choice for ourselves. Obviously, I don't have a credit card, so alternatively, in the end, it does have to pay with my PayPal balance. So that is also another solution that you can go with. Just remove your card for the meantime that you don't want it to be doing payments with your credit card. And once you are done with that, yeah, you should be good to go from there. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.